friend. I am Dibanshi Joshi from grade 2. Today I am going to give a short presentation on the topic National Paddy Day. National Paddy Day is celebrated in Nepal. It is observed on the 15th of Asar every year. Paddy is the crop used to make rice. Farmers plant paddy in muddy fields on this day. Rice is an important food for many people. The day honors the hard work of farmers. People sing, dance, and enjoy traditional activities. Many people eat yogurt and beaten rice, means dai chura. National Paddy Day promotes agriculture and food production. It reminds us to respect and support our farmers